Vegetable grilled sandwich is one of my favorite breakfast recipes. It is loaded with vegetables and I love to eat it for breakfast. Let us see how to make it today. Welcome to my cooking channel. To make the chutney, we will chop some ginger, one green chilli, deseed the capsicum, cut into small pieces, one or two will do. Chop the coriander, half a bunch, and handful mint leaves. These were washed and dried earlier. Add lime juice, salt, sugar to taste, and jeera. Add few pieces of farsan or sev. Add little water to grind. Now peel and grate the carrot. We will mix all the veggies in a bowl. Chop the cabbage. Make it into thin slices first and then chop it. You can also grate it, but when you grate the cabbage, it leaves lot of water and becomes soggy. That is why I love to chop the cabbage for the sandwich. Deseed the capsicum and chop it finely and add to the bowl. We will keep all these vegetables aside. Apply butter to 4 slices of bread. A thin layer will do. You can also skip if you don't want to add butter. But then the toast will not become crispy. Now on the other side of the bread where there is no butter, apply the green chutney and mix the vegetables and stuff the sandwich. Stuff all these vegetables in between 2 slices in a small toaster which goes on the gas. I like this old type of toaster. You can stuff as much as you want. Sprinkle some salt for the vegetables. Apply the green chutney to the other slice also. Let the buttered side be outside. Now toast it on low flame on either side. Turn the toaster. You can see the sandwich is ready. Grate cheese on sandwich, that is optional, and serve it with tomato ketchup. This is the best ever veg grilled sandwich. Happy cooking!